Hi everyone, I would like to introduce the Pulse Oxímetro M70 and its functions to you. In the standard package, there's one user's manual, one oximeter, two AAA batteries, and one cord. So this is the oximeter. To operate this oximeter, first you need to push the battery cover and install two AAA batteries based on the positive and negative pole instruction. And close it. Second, nip the oximeter and insert one of the fingers into the oximeter before releasing it. Please mind that your nail surface must be upward. Third, press the function button on the front panel. Please make sure your finger and body do not tremble during the measurement. After turning on the oximeter, you could change the display direction by pressing the function button. There are two display directions, so it is easy to read from both sides. On the screen, it shows the oxygen saturation in the waveform and its numeric value, the pulse rate, the pulse intensity, and the battery level. After the measurement, it shut down automatically after 8 seconds. Pulse oximeter makes your life simpler and better